You're welcome back to Azano Fix. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to create video with Gemini AI. So looking right, here's my PC. You can actually do this as well on your Android or on your iPhone. The process is actually the same step. You can as well do it on the Gemini app itself. So right here on my PC, you just need to go to your browser like this. This is Firefox. So yeah, I'm going to simply go ahead and search for Gemini AI. Go ahead and search for Gemini AI like this. So right here you can see the first link right here, which is Google Gemini. Go ahead and click on it like this. So right here you need to log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, the next step you need to take is to find a prompt. So you already have a prompt or an imagination of the type of video that you want to create. So yeah, I'm going to be using this prompt for the sake of this video. I draft out this prompt for the sake of this video. So let me just simply go ahead and copy this prompt like this. Click on Ctrl C. So now we have copied the prompt. So the next step you need to take here is to go back to the Google Gemini page. Now go ahead and paste the prompt right here. Click on Ctrl V like this in order for you to be able to paste the prompt. Now come right here before the prompt, type in video prompt. Once you do that, go ahead and put a semicolon like this. Give a space. You can see that. Now the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on the send button. Looking right here, you can see the option of flash. You can actually use any of these depending on the subscription that you are using on Gemini. So right here I'm going to go ahead and click on send like this in order to send it. So right here it says I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. So once the generation is completed, right here you can see the video. So let's just simply go ahead and click on the video. Now looking right here, you can see the video at the top right here on the video as well. You can see download, so you can actually save this on your device as well. So this is another video prompt. Looking right here is the video that is generated for me. So let me just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit and click on it. Looking right here, you can see that it actually gave me a consistent character. So this is how simple it is for you to create video using Gemini AI. Now mind you, this is not going to work if you are not using any subscription plan on the Gemini AI app. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. Catch you in the next one.